Hey, so if you want to create eye-catching infographics using Google Slides in 2026, this guide will walk you through everything step by step so your information looks clear and engaging. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email and password. Once inside, create a new presentation or open an existing slide deck where you want to add your infographic. Start by setting up the slide size. Go to File, Page Setup, and choose a custom size if needed. For infographics, taller slides often work better to display information vertically. Next, pick a simple, clean theme. Infographics should be visually appealing but not cluttered. Use consistent fonts, colors, and spacing to make data easy to read. Begin adding your content. Break your information into sections like headings, statistics, or key points. Each section should have one idea to keep the infographic clear. Use shapes, icons, charts, and images to visualize data. Google Slides offers built-in shapes, lines, and diagrams that can help represent numbers, comparisons, or processes effectively. Add text labels directly on visuals or next to icons. Keep text short, precise, and readable. Use contrasting colors to make important numbers or points stand out. Align everything neatly using Google Slides alignment guides. Consistent spacing and alignment make the infographic look professional and easy to follow. If you want to create multiple infographics, consider using master slides to keep font styles and colors consistent across all slides. Finally, review your infographic in presentation mode. Check readability, color balance, and layout flow. Google Slides automatically saves your work in Drive, so nothing gets lost. And that's it. By structuring information clearly, using visuals effectively, and keeping design consistent, you can create professional, engaging infographics in Google Slides. If this helped, hit the like button, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.